Hello, welcome. Today we are going to cook chicken à la Chasseur. In 1882, the original Orient Express began its first official run. On this inaugural first trip, the menu included chicken chasseur. This classic French dish is made with chicken, white wine, brandy, mushrooms, shallots, carrots, stock, onions, reduced chasseur sauce, tomatoes, butter, and fresh herbs. It's a simple, fragrant dish to make and tastes amazing. You will certainly impress everyone. Francois, are you ready to start cooking?
Oui, oui, mademoiselle.
Cut up a whole chicken, then cut the carcass into small pieces. Chop up onion and carrots into small pieces. To make the sauce, heat oil and butter add the carcass and saute until brown. Then add the carrots and onion. Saute until it is caramelized and sticking to the bottom of pan. Add the beef stock and scrape all the bits and pieces until it is dissolved. This will give you that amazing flavor. Keep on simmer. Now, to prepare the bouquet garni. Roll the bundle of herbs, thyme, bay leaf, parsley, into a leaf and tie with string. This will be so delicious and aromatic. Now, what is this called, Francois?
This is bouquet garni. Oui, oui.
Add the bouquet garni to the sauce and the stems of the mushrooms and keep on simmer for approximately 30 minutes. Season the chicken with freshly ground salt and pepper. Heat oil and butter on medium heat and saute chicken until browned on each side. Roast chicken in oven to finish cooking and to keep warm. Peel shallots and dice in small pieces. In the same pan saute shallots and mushrooms until brown. To make tomato concasse. Cut an X on the tomato, place the tomatoes in the boiling water, until the skin starts to peel off, about 10 to 13 seconds, then transfer tomatoes in ice water to cool, then peel skin. Cut tomato and remove seeds and finely dice. Now, strain the stock that's been simmering. Add the wine, brandy, and the tomatoes. Add the strained stock and reduce. That smells wonderful, and now it is ready to serve. Spoon sauce over chicken. Perfect with some whipped potatoes and your choice of vegetables. Oh, thank you, Francois, for helping me. Oh, is that for me? Oh, thank you, merci beaucoup. Shall we head over to the dining car?
Yes, certainly.
I think I will sit by the window. I love to watch the world go by, don't you?
But of course.
Oh, here comes the waiter.
Good evening, madam, sir. Welcome to the Orient Express. May I present the menu for you, madam, sir?
Oh, let's see. I think I will have the chicken chasseur.
And you, sir?
Yes, make that too, and we will have some Ravenau Chablis and champagne as well.
Ah, that was wonderful.
Yes, that was the best chicken à la Chasseur I ever had.
May I pour your champagne, sir?
Cheers, my darling.
Cheers.
Let's head over to the bar for a cigar and brandy.
Oh, yes, certainly. Oh, I love this luxurious train and the impeccable cuisine. Stay tuned for my next video on another dish that was served on the inaugural trip in 1883.